All right, so a few days ago, I vibe coded an entire micro SaaS in about 3 hours, launched it that day, and have made nearly $300 in the past week. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps, every decision, and all the tools I used so you can do the same, even if you're completely non-technical. Let's start. So part one, finding the idea. This part wasn't glamorous. I was literally scrolling TikTok on my couch, and I kept seeing this trend. It was videos of couples showing Polaroid photos of their future family. It was cute, soft lighting, and had a bit of a dreamy vibe to it. And it looked exactly like a just Google Gemini image. So my brain instantly went, wait, I can probably turn this into a micro SaaS. So I saved a few videos, reverse engineered the concept, and that was the spark. Part two, before I wrote a single line of code, I needed to know if the product was actually possible. So I tried to recreate the exact images myself by reverse engineering the prompt. Bit of trial and error, but once I got close enough to what TikTok was showing, I knew I had a real product. This is pretty important. You need to always validate the output first before building anything. Step 3 was naming, logo, and domain. I jumped straight into ChatGPT, typed out the concept, and asked for some name ideas. I literally went onto Namecheap, bought the domain. It took me 15 minutes from idea to brand foundation completely locked. Branding was now done, so it was just the fun stuff left. Part 4, the vibe coding setup. So I opened ChatGPT and dumped my entire vision into one big message. All the features, the flow, the styling, which was neo-brutalist, and everything in between. Then I told ChatGPT, now knowing all of this, just write a clear prompt that I can paste into Cursor. Step 5 is the vibe code. So I opened Cursor and pasted the giant prompt in. Then Cursor went away, created to-do lists, and started scaffolding the entire app. The landing page, the upload flow, the gallery, the checkout page, everything. I went back and forth, fixing errors, refining the UI, testing locally, running it until everything worked. I'm not technical, but with Cursor, it felt like pair programming with someone who never gets tired. After a couple hours, the entire MVP was working, both the marketing site and the actual product. The final step was just integrating Stripe. So I just created a Stripe account, grabbed my API keys, and told Cursor to integrate everything. The pricing plan, checkout, webhook handling was all done in minutes. The final step was deploying it online. I went into Vercel, created a new project, connected my GitHub, and deployed it all in one click. I essentially just asked Cursor, hey, can you deploy this via the Vercel CLI? Here's the juicy bit that you don't get to see in a Greg Eisenberg or Starter Story video, the actual organic marketing steps. For this app, I relied on two types of organic marketing, community engagement and short form content. So with community engagement, what I did was I went on Aftermark AI, entered my product details, and used the Reddit engagement tool to reply to people that are already searching for future baby photo generators. It sourced tons of leads talking about future babies, couple things to try, Christmas ideas for couples, and I replied to most of them with the product link. I also used the Reddit post generator to create some non-promo style posts that attracted attention without sounding like an ad. Then I moved to short form content. I connected my TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram account into Aftermark and created some slideshows, AI UGC videos, and some wall of text videos. None of them in particular blew up, but they drove consistent views every single day. You can look at them here. I also did a cheeky manual thing. I went into TikTok and found the original videos that inspired me and just dropped comments saying, hey, I used to get this done. From these combined efforts, I hit almost $300 in Stripe revenue within a few days. It's not life-changing, but this is the point. I'm not technical. I built this in under 3 hours and I monetized it almost immediately. The plan now is to keep posting organic content, keep using Aftermark as my growth engine, and keep adding features as real users give feedback. This is the entire blueprint. A small idea, build very fast, launch even faster, and distribute the fastest. So that's the entire video. If you want me to make a full tutorial on how I vibe coded in Cursor exactly, or if you wanted a step-by-step marketing guide, comment below and I'll make it just for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.